he say? What did he say? Ooh, look at the face. Yeah. He's holding a Gregorian chant, look. The baby loves Gregorian chant. Yeah, look at it. He loves Gregorian chant.
Oh, look, Lizzie. Mind, I don't think he's muttering with them, is he? Liz, baby. Come, because you're only 15 months, aren't you?
Yeah, look at say hello.
Say hello.
Say hello to the girl. Say hello.
Say hello, can't you?
Oh.
Pick it up, look. Say hello. Huh? Say hello.
Say hello.
Say hello, Lizzie.
Hey, Lizzie, say hello.
She can't talk, she just shy. Say hello, Lizzie. Hello, say good boy.
They'll remember each other. Oh, he's holding his hand. Look, look, look. He's holding his hand.
Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Yeah,
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
bye-bye.
Thank you very much, madam.